You may take your seat.
Babae pagkupo! Na!
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. To the Academy's School Director, Captain Maximo M. Pestaño, the Quality Management Representative, Ms. Concepcion Ong, Ms. Mabel de la Cruz, Officer in Charge, Senior High School, esteemed faculty and staff, proud parents, supportive friends, and most importantly, to the graduating class of Baliwag Maritime Academy Senior High School, it is my distinct honor to join all of you today as we celebrate this significant milestone in your lives. As I stand before you, I am filled with a deep sense of gratitude and humility. Throughout my journey, I have often questioned my abilities, wondering if I was truly capable of achieving my goals. It has always been the encouragement and belief of others that have reassured me and pushed me forward. I am profoundly thankful to Baliwag Maritime Academy for inviting me to be your guest speaker today. I know there are many other successful and deserving alumni who would have been chosen, which makes this opportunity even more special to me. First, I want to commend each one of you graduates. Your hard work, perseverance, and dedication have led you to this momentous day. Congratulations! You are the pride of BMA Senior High School, embodying the spirit of the modern Filipino youth, brave, resilient, and visionary. Before I proceed with my speech, I just want to remind all the graduates that this achievement is not yours alone. Behind each of you stands a community of support that has cheered you on, guided you, and lifted you up throughout your journey. To the parents and families, your sacrifices, love, and unwavering support have made this day possible. To the teachers and mentors, your dedication to imparting knowledge and values has shaped these young minds. To friends and peers, your camaraderie and encouragement have made the journey enjoyable and memorable. May I ask all the senior high school graduates to please stand up. Lingon po tayo sa likod natin. And let's give a round of applause to all these incredible people who have played an essential role in your success. Palakpakan po natin ang mga taong tumaguyod sa atin. You may take your seat. Our team today, Kapataang Pilipino para sa patatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas, emphasizes the crucial role you play in shaping our nation's destiny. As you set sail on your maritime careers, remember the words of the Roman philosopher Seneca. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Baliwag Maritime Academy has meticulously prepared you for the unpredictable waters you'll encounter. Remember, these challenges will mold you into the resilient and adaptable leaders of our maritime industry demands. If you choose to enter the maritime industry, be aware that the waters can be unpredictable. As the proverb goes, the sea does not reward those who are too anxious, too greedy, or too impatient. This constant change will test adaptability, and resilience. Remember, it's not about avoiding the storm, but learning how to sail through them. Just as the waves shape the rocks on our beautiful shores, the challenges you face will define your future. As you navigate your careers, uphold the values of integrity and professionalism. The maritime industry, like any other field, requires ethical conduct and responsibility. Make decisions that reflect honesty and fairness. Be someone your peers and subordinates can look up to. Someone who leads by example. As you embark on your professional journey, remember that Baliwag Maritime Academy stands ready to support you every step of the way. For those of you who wish to advance your maritime career, consider continuing your education and training here. Our institution is committed to providing the highest standards of maritime education and training, ensuring you are well prepared to meet the demands of the global maritime industry. As Admiral Elmo Sumbal Jr. once said, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. BMA will continue to be your companion on this journey. Consider continuing your education here, further developing your expertise with our advanced programs. We offer you the resources and support to stay ahead of the curve in this ever-revolving industry. Before I end my speech, let me share you with a symbolic presentation that you can carry with you, the compass. A compass is an essential tool for every mariner. It guides sailors through uncharted waters, always pointing them in the right direction, even when the path is unclear. Think of this compass as more than just a navigational instrument. Let it symbolize the core values that will guide you through your life's journey. Integrity, resilience, curiosity, and teamwork. Whenever you face tough decisions or challenging times, let this compass guide you. Hold it close and remember the values it represents. True to your course, and you will always find your way, no matter how unpredictable the journey is. In closing, I leave you with this thought. Ang kabataang Pilipino ay hindi lamang pag-asa ng bayan, kundi ang tiyang na gabay tungo sa matatag na kinabukasan. You are the captain of a new Philippines. Be bold, venturing out with the courage to explore uncharted waters. Embrace the challenges that will shape you resolve. For true success lies in overcoming obstacles. Remember, the future of our nation rests in your capable hands. Build a Philippines brimming with opportunity and guided by the values instilled in you at Baliwag Maritime Academy. Building knowledge, strengthening discipline, and pursuing excellence. Again, Batch 2024, may your